is the dome of Amarnath. People go to Jammu Kashmir, there is a big cave. In that, there is supposed to be a divine energy in the form of a dove. So I had been to Amarnath, and this is the dove I see. And people go to Amarnath, they will be searching for a dove outside. They will be searching on all the hilltops a dove. That is not the dove. Dove is a format of the divine energy which is available in Amarnath. There is a secret behind this also. Jesus Christ's life is not known after he was 12 years. For 20 years, in Bible also no one knows where he went. So he migrated along with the shepherds and came down to Kashmir. There in the Amarnath cave, he met this energy man, this divine energy of a dove. And all the knowledge he got divine were at Amarnath, Kashmir. And at the age of 32, he comes. John the Baptist is baptizing everyone at the bank of Jordan. And all are asking, are you the prophet? He says, no. I am not even fit enough to tie the laces in the shoes of the prophet who is to go. Then he sees Jesus. And he says, here comes the prophet who has come to bear all your sins. உலகத்தின் பாவங்களை சுமந்து தீர்க்கின்ற தேவ ஆட்டுக்குட்டி இதோ வருகிறது. The good shepherd, the good sheep is coming now. He is going to bear all the sins of the world. And he baptizes Jesus with the water. And after that, a white dove comes and descends on Jesus. And after the water baptization by John the Baptist, Jesus gets that white dove energy inside him. That is this energy. So that is the energy of his Guru, who was residing in Amarnath cave. So this is that. Even today there is faith that after he was crucified, he again came to Kashmir, and there is another tomb for Jesus Christ's physical body in the name of Isa Nabi. They say Isa Nabi was Jesus Christ. There is a book which is called as the Aquarius Gospel of Jesus Christ, and it says that he came after the crucifixion, after the third day, again to Kashmir because he liked that place, and he spent his last days, and there is a tomb for his physical body in the name of Isa Nabi. So this is the dove. Next. So this is my body. On to your left, you see my body. Now from my body, my spirit comes out. So my body is witnessing my spirit. My body is witnessing my spirit. You can see a gold and a crimson red figure standing in that plate with a number 8 in between. Cut it. At a number cut it. Oi. The book show the 8 number to them.
Right here. The 8.
See 8 number? That is called Akshakshara, the number 8. And the number 8, the Akshakshara, is the energy of Vishnu, Narayana. So my spirit is having the Vishnu energy, and right hand you see is in a blessing pose. My legs are like this. My legs are like this. And here is number 8. What is that 8? You have 2 breaths flowing like this. When you go into highest level of joy, your breaths become like this. 8. That's called Ashtaksharam. So you can see number 8 in my system. That is the protective energy of Vishnu. So a person whose spirit reaches this level can protect others. He can make others prosper. Next. Now my body and soul are different. Achha, you see a blue light there? Show. That is the blue consciousness. That is the third eye of Shiva. And only when you get this, sky is blue and ocean is blue, you also are blue. How a figure is formed in the television? 70% blue dots are formed. then a figure comes out. And when you merge into this blue consciousness, you can keep your body in one place and see happenings in other place. You can sit in Madras, still see so what is happening in Niagara Falls. So this power you get only when you get this blue light. And your science agrees on this. Your science agrees. Sir C.V. Raman did a research on why the ocean and sky are blue, and he talks about this pervading, all pervading blue consciousness in creation, and there is a PhD subject for which he got the Nobel Prize. So this is called blue consciousness. Next. You can see my eyes. In one eye I have the sun, the other eye I have the moon. This is Vishnatvam. When you become Vishnu yourself, you have Chandra Surya Nayana. In one eye you will have Chandra, the moon, the other eye you will have Surya, and the sun will always be round. The moon will be according to the day of the moon. Suppose it's the fourth day of the moon in my eyes will be fourth day growth. If it is on full moon, I will have full moon in my eyes. So according to the day, Sashti, Ashtami, Nami, Ekadasi, whatever day you photograph my eyes, you will see that growth of the moon in my eyes. So this is called Chandra Surya Nayana. Vishnu Sasanam says, Chandra Suryo Nayanaha. You have got Chandra and Surya as your eyes. Andal says, Adityanum Chandranum Elundar Pol Engal Angan Kandu Nokudiyel Engal Sabam Elundelur Embavai. O Lord, you have the sun and moon in your eyes. With that special eyes, if you look at us, all our curses are burnt. We are forgiven. That's what Andal says in Tirupavai. I have those eyes. Go. Right. This is my spirit. I'll go on explaining. You see the center figure. Center figure. Can you make it big? No.
Yeah.
Only center you take. These are all the greatest things in creation, and no one has done this other than me so far. Can you see? I have no face. I have 3 lines instead of my face. Can you see? So, only 1, 2, 3. So I have no face. I have only 3 lines. They are proton, neutron, electron, or alpha, beta, gamma, Brahma, Vishnu, Shankara. 3 lines. You see my right hand in blessing position. So, right hand, yeah, that. My left hand goes to the skies like this. Yes. And my left leg is like this. No, center figure. Yeah, that is my left leg. So I am somewhat like this. Right hand like this, left hand like this, like this. And my face has only 3 lines. So this is my spirit. My spirit is dancing with a trident, right, and in a blessing, left hand showing the sky, and left leg like this, like Nadaraja. And now bring it down to the top one. The top one. Yes. Can you see an elephant trunk?
Yes.
And can you see a trident in that also? Trident, yeah.
Yes.
So this is Trishul of the mother, Shiva, our mother. And down is in the trunk of the elephant. So this is called Sakti Sagida Ganapati. Parasakti is Ganapati. Sakti Sagida Ganapati. And it's an inverted Om. Show the inverted Om.
This one.
Kill in the Kodupu, Muna number. Yeah, like that. And this side, there is a prolong. In the side. So this is an inverted Om in down direction. So this is the sky. Sky as Shakti with Ganesha, and it's a Om in a topsy-turvy direction, in a inverted position. Now take the down one, up. You can see a Om in between, and near the dot sky going to, yeah, there is a Om. So this Om down is the earth, and this is Varaha. Varaha means God became like a pig and lifted it from the water. Just show the face little up. Above the Om, yeah, that is the face of the Lord, and there is a Om, and he is standing. He is standing. So this is called the earth, Varaha. And between the Varaha's Om, that Om you show separately. Yeah. This is one Om down, straight Om. And now pull the top picture down. That is the inverted Om. So there is a Om in the sky, there is a Om down on the earth, topsy-turvy, opposite direction, diametrically opposite. So between these two Oms, one in the sky, one in the earth, my spirit is dancing. It is not touching the sky, nor it is touching the earth, it just floats. This is where I am. I am not touching the sky, I am not touching the earth. According to science, if you keep two powerful magnets, north-south, keep an iron rod, it will be rotating. So there is one powerful magnet up, another powerful magnet down, in opposite direction, and my spirit is dancing like this. Like this. Between these two ohms, two powerful electromagnets. This is what happens all the time to my body. I am just floating. Okay, next. Next. This is Hanuman. You can see Hanuman in two forms. Down is face. கொஞ்சம் மேல் கொண்டு போ. அந்த ஃபேஸ் தெரியுது பாரு. ஓம் கிட்ட கீழே ஒரு ஓம் இருக்கு பாரு.
Reduce the sound. Reduce the
அந்த ஓம் கிட்ட there is a face. Yeah, that is the Om, number 3. Above that you see the face of Hanuman. He is sitting with right leg down, holding his weapon. This side, down. This mic can come there.
Yeah.
Srinivas, reduce the zoom.
Forget this portion. This is the face of Hanuman. It is his weapon, and Om is here. This is Hanuman sitting, and this is Hanuman flying like this. Huh? Can you turn it? Can you turn this?
Reduce the zoom.
No,
Reduce
no.
the zoom.
It should be like this.